Good morning, students. Accountancy, grade 12. Today's accountancy class, chapter 2, accounting for partnership firms. Topic is guarantee of minimum profit to a partner. In the partnership firm, a new partner is admitted into the firm. New partner wants to get certain minimum amount as guarantee by way of his share of profit. It is known as guaranteed profit. This assurance is given by the old partners or any of the old partners. But as per the share of new partner's profit is less than the guaranteed amount. This is shortage amount. This is called deficiency. For example, firm's profit is 1 lakh. Firm's profit is rupees 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Guaranteed amount 50,000. But his share of profit, suppose 3 by 10, his share is 3 by 10. So, share of profit is 30,000 from the 1 lakh. So, what is this? Guaranteed profit is 50,000, but his share of profit is 30,000. So, what is the shortage amount? Shortage amount 20,000. This is called deficiency. This deficiency will be shared by the old partners, those who gave assurance or guarantee. That partners will share this shortage amount. For example, you see this sum. This is the partnership firm. A, B, old partners. C, new partner. He admitted newly. Their profit rupees 60,000. Firm's profit rupees 60,000. Their profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. Then how they will share their profit? A share of profit 60,000 into 3 by 6, 3/6. So what is that amount? 30,000. Then B share 60,000 into 2 by 6. What is that amount? 20,000. Then C share of profit 60,000 into 1 by 6 equal to 10,000. But suppose he got guarantee amount rupees 10,000. So shortage amount 20,000 minus 10,000. Shortage is 10,000. This is shortage amount. This shortage, if the old partners share the deficiency equally, 10,000, 5,000. A will give rupees 5,000, B will give rupees 5,000 to C. Suppose if the old partner share the deficiency in the ratio 3:2. So 10,000 shared by them, 3 by 5. So what is that amount? 6,000. A for B, 2/5. 10,000 into 2/5. So 4,000. 6,000 A will give to C. 4,000 B will give to C. If A alone share the deficiency, A will give full amount 10,000 to C. How to prepare profit and loss appropriation account? Profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation account for the year ending 31st March year. Everything how to write as a heading. Then first case, if the old partner share the deficiency equally by profit and loss account, net profit. How much profit I said? 60,000. 60,000. To profit, transfer to A's capital. How much amount? Share 30,000 only, no? Rupees 30,000. B's share, B's capital 20,000. C's share, C's capital 10,000. Now, less, because A will give 5,000, no? Less share in profit, deficiency. Share in deficiency 5,000. So, minus 5,000, 25,000. Less share in deficiency 5,000, 15,000. Add deficiency received from A, B. A 5,000, B 5,000. So totally 20,000 guaranteed profit A has received. 60,000. Second case, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account. By profit and loss account, net profit 60,000. To profit transferred to A's capital, B's capital, C's capital. 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. Less deficiency, share in deficiency. Second case, 6,000 said, 6,000 he will give to C. Here, less share in deficiency, 4,000. 30,000 minus 6,000, 24,000. 20,000 minus 4,000, 16,000. Add deficiency received from A and B. 6,000, 4,000. So guaranteed profit 20,000. Totally 60,000. Third case, profit and loss appropriation account. By profit and loss account, net profit 60,000. Profit transferred to A's capital 30,000. He didn't share anything. Share the deficiency by A alone. Share in deficiency 10,000 fully he shared by A. So minus 10,000 to 20,000. B's capital, he didn't share anything. So 20,000, you have to write in second column. C's capital, 10,000. Add deficiency received from A. 10,000 fully he received from A. So 20,000 total. 60,000. See this illustration. Ali, Bimal and Deepak are partners in a firm. On 1st April 2019, their capital accounts stood at 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs respectively. They shared profits and losses in the proportion of 5:3:2. Partners are entitled to interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum and salary to Bimal and Deepak at the rate of 2,000 per month and 3,000 per quarter respectively as per the provisions of the partnership deed. Bimal's share of profit excluding interest on capital but including salary is guaranteed at a minimum of rupees 50,000 per annum. Any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by Deepak. The profits of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2020 amounted to rupees 2 lakhs. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Given profit 2 lakhs. So here profit and loss appropriation account, net profit rupees 2 lakhs we have written. Then interest on capital we have to calculate into interest on capital. Capital 4 lakhs, Ali 4 lakhs, Bimal 3 lakhs, Deepak 2 lakhs. So 10% interest on capital per year. So 40,000, 30,000, 20,000. So interest on capital, Ali's capital account, Bimal's capital account, Deepak's capital account, 40, 30, 20, totally 90,000. Salary, Bimal's capital and Deepak's capital. How much salary provided for them? 2,000 per month for Bimal. For Bimal, salary 2,000 per month. So 12 months, 24,000. Deepak's salary per quarter, how much amount? 3,000. So 3,000 into 4. Totally 12,000. 4 quarters, so into 4, 12,000. Total 36,000. Profit transferred to remaining profit 2 lakhs minus 90,000 and 36,000. 90,000 plus 36,000, 1,26,000. 2 lakhs minus 1,26,000. Remaining 74,000. This 74,000 profit transferred to three members, Alice Capital, Bimal's Capital and Deepak's Capital. How to share this profit? 74,000 is there. Profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. So 5 by 10 for Alice. Then Bimal 74,000 into 3 by 10. Deepak 74,000 into 2 by 10. For him 37,000 for him, 22,200 for him, 14,800 calculated amount. What is the guaranteed profit given? Deepak's guaranteed profit. Bimal's share of profit excluding interest on capital but including salaries guaranteed at a minimum of 50,000. Bimal is a new partner. For him, guaranteed amount 50,000 will come. Who will share this profit? Shared by the Deepak only. Account shall be any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by Deepak. Deepak alone met this amount. Then how much deficiency will created? 22,200. 50,000 is there, no? Then how it is? You see, what is it? Excluding interest on capital but including salary. Interest on capital already excluded here. Already separated. Including salary, 22,200 profit plus his salary, Bimal's salary, how much? 24,000. 46,200 profit he received, but 50,000 he need to receive, no? Then 46,200 deducted from 50,000, how much will come? 3,800. This is the deficiency. This deficiency met by Deepak. So less deficiency we are by Deepak, 3,800. This added efficiency to Bimal's capital, 3,800. Totally for him 26,000. 14,800 minus 3,800, 11,000. Total 2 lakhs. Okay, could you understand? Thank you, students.